Hi guys, welcome back to Bella's Big Adventures.
My name's Sue, in case you didn't know, and we're in the middle of a mini Austrian tour. We're just about to leave Terrace's camping in Traisen, and we're heading to Mondsee, to Camp Mondsee Landh, funnily enough, which is 173 kilometres away. So stay tuned and we'll see you later. Unfortunately, the majority of this journey is on the autobahn, so there are sides on it which stop you from seeing the view. However, it's time for a spot of lunch, and you can't really complain about the view from the service station, can you? Okay, we're going to check in. Wait for the little tractor to go by. He's been cutting the grass, obviously. Right, still pouring with rain, but we're just going to drive to our allocated spot. Oh, there's a dog walk on this map as well. I'll show you the map of the site shortly. And if it ever stops raining, I'll do you a little tour. It looks quite pleasant at the moment. Nice mountains surrounding it, and there's a dog walk at the top. Right, so we're following the tractor. Okay, so we're at the front top edge. We get the best view of the mountains in actual fact. Not the very front row, but the second row back. Okay, GO2, if we fit on it. So even though it's raining, I'm wearing a silly outfit, jugs and shorts even though it's freezing. We are unwinding the cable, ready to plug in. On the site here we've got our own tower. I'll just show you. Got our own electric, water and waste, which is brilliant. An electric cable there. This is plugged in. So we've got the collapsed waste pipes. I'll just put that in there, Doug. So just push fits into there. I've got the wrong end of the waste pipe down the drain. There we go. So that goes in there. Yeah, we can collapse them down a little bit. The great thing is they are collapsible, so and then you can just leave them out to have the waste on permanently emptying instead of filling up your tank. Just a quick view of the site. If I can stop it raining on the camera, that would be even better, wouldn't it? That's the lower level. Power and wastewater sorted. Now we just need to connect the tap adapter onto this tap. It's me and my silly waterproof. I've just got to attach that to the tap. Doug's already screwed on. Unscrew that. And then I can. Seems to be on. That's it. Just need to turn the tap on now. Right, we're in. We've got the power, electric and water sorted and the wastewater. It's still pouring with rain. I don't think it's going to stop tonight, to be honest, so there's not going to be much barbecuing or anything much today, to be honest. I thought I'd give you a quick look at the site plan. It's quite a large site, and once it stops raining, I'll give you a little tour. So, there's the site plan. And we're on number GO2. Okay, I'll get wet clothes off and get the kettle on, I think. It seems to have finally stopped raining. Briefly, I think it's going to rain again tomorrow. But anyway, you can actually see the mountains now. Okay, so day 5, I think. It's still drizzling, hence the brolly. But we've got to get out. We can't sit in the van all the time. It's not that cold, to be honest, so we're going to go for a walk, about 5 miles maybe, down to Mondsee Lake, hopefully, if we can find the right direction. And we'll see you there, and I'll video anything en route that's worth looking at. I don't know if you can hear me because it's really windy, but at least it's stopped raining and it looks like it's brightening up. Lovely proper path straight through some meadowland, surrounded by forest. And you can see the mist coming off the top of the trees. Well, it's probably cloud, to be honest, it's so low. It's probably about 5 miles to the lake, but as long as the rain stays off, should be all right. Hello, Mr. Goat. Or Mrs. Goat. Oh, well, let's go that way. It's got a signpost. It definitely says 20 minutes. A little mini chapel with a wooden slate roof and the copper top. It's really cute. I think this is a hotel. It's rather lovely. We're going off-piste, not the route we'd planned, but it will just say it's going to the same place. We've got to cross the little babbling river. That's really lovely. Much more picturesque this way, Doug. This turned out to be a fabulous detour, even if we don't quite know where we are. Slippy. Hold on, just in case. Oh, crucifixion. I'm assuming this river ends up in the lake. Nice old door. Multicoloured buildings. Some statues. Don't know what they used to be, but they're really pretty. We've arrived in Mondsee. Nice church up there. And we're just going to follow the river down to the lake. Nice wooden barn. Not a bad view, is it? Worth a walk, even with the drizzle. Some people paddle boarding. Don't feed the ducks, it says, and no swimming. Might have to go this way. Looks like a dead end. Sun's finally come out. It's looking absolutely beautiful. As you can see here, there's lots of dog walking and directions and things. They even supplied dog poop bags in a bin for you. So you can go in either direction. There's lots of green space for dogs to run around. And there are quite a lot of dogs here actually. Oh yep, the cat's here again, and it's a very friendly cat. It's been to all the vans this morning. Sorry, I didn't come to play with you. Not going to go all the way down because it's quite a steep hill.
But down there at the bottom is an enclosed green patch that your dog can run around in and play frisbee and stuff. There's a little dog down there already. Right, I'm going to have a quick tour. On this side of the pitch, it's quite big actually, their camp is more permanent, what we would call in the UK static caravans, but actually they're mobile caravans that have had metal roofs added over the top of them and their awning so it protects them from the rain. But it goes quite a long way that way with static caravans. There are premium pitches with water and electric and waste, and then there are just, what they call comfort pitches, which are slightly smaller, and basic pitches, and there are places for tents too. So I'll go down to the main block and show you around there. It's a very well run campsite, I have to say. This is not on the lake. As you saw yesterday, we had to walk about 5 miles to Mondsee, but it's a nice walk through the meadows and along the river, so it's well worth doing. This first block coming to is the toilets, showers, and then the next one has washing machine, tumble dryer and a games room, but I'll show you around the back of here first. Little wooden shacks, seems to be quite popular in Austria. Around here we've got recycling, toilet waste, dog wash, very handy. There's a toilet block. And then you've got a washing up area. Laundry with washing machines and dryers. It's €4 for both. There's a kitchen area with an oven, hob, microwave. Pool table. And this takes you out to the pool area. There is a heated pool and a sun terrace for when it's nice weather. Doug had a little swim yesterday. He said the outside shower was quite cold, but the pool was nice and warm. So this would be a really nice area if it was sunny. So yeah, nice sunbathing area when the sun comes out. There's a view of the park there. On the left here is a restaurant bar. Through there is reception, and there's a little shop that sells bread, fresh bread and things. As you can see up here, there's more parking sideways on to a little pond, which is really cute. Not drinking water because it's coming out of the lake. I don't know where it's going to. Well, it looks like we've worn Bella out at least. We hope you've enjoyed part 2 of our Austrian mini tour. If you have, don't forget to hit that like button. Leave us a comment. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it does help the channel. And ring that bell of course for notification of future updates. So that's it for today. So for me, Doug and Bella, bye for now. Thanks for watching.